If you're new, my name is Anna. If you're not new, then thank you for tuning back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do like a Halloween makeup look. Basically for any animal ears that you guys might have. Whether they're bunny ears, cat ears, dog ears, antlers, you know, whatever. I feel like this look really brings it all together and it goes well with most animal ears that you guys might have. So if you guys want to learn how to do this easy and cool makeup look, then go ahead, stick around and keep on watching. So obviously we started off with our foundation, however you do your foundation and your eyebrows. And then we're going to be starting off with like the rest, like I'm going to be putting on some highlighter next, and this is what. In with a little bit of bronzer. I'm going in with the Gotta Be Urban Mineral Highlight and Sculpt Powder palette. It's got bronzer, contour, and highlight. But I'm going to be going in with the bronzer, this one. I'm just going to be applying it in the cheeks. To give it that pop, whatever animal ears you may have, brown and gold are always like, you know, the perfect duo for outstanding colors and to make it look dramatic and intense and, you know, really pretty. So we're going to be going in with a base shadow, of course. I'm going to be using the DGAFO palette. And I'm going to be taking this corner color. You're going to be applying it all over your eyelid. Now we're going to be taking a brown. I'm going to be taking this one. Mostly in the crease area, from inner to outer crease, just all in and out. Now in the bottom eyelid, a little bit. You're gonna be getting either concealer or like mine, it's a jumbo pencil. It's a Bright Eyes, it's like eyeshadow pencil, but mine's in gold already and it's like creamy. But you guys can also take concealer and just put it all over your eyelids. Just make sure to do that crease like I showed you guys before. Once you're all done with the concealer on your making your crease and stuff, or whether you have the pencil eyeshadow, any glitter gold eyeshadow that you guys like, I'm going to be going in with this one. And then you guys just put it on your fingers, which is easier. And you guys just pat it on. You guys just pat it on. Doing our lips, and I'm going to be taking the NYX lip liner and it's in Nude Pink, SPL 858, and it's like a nudish pink. You guys can take any pink that you guys have. You don't even have to have pink lipstick. You could just put on lip gloss or chapstick just to bring out your neutral color from your lips, which they're like pink. So you're just gonna be taking a pink one, just putting it on the bottom one only, because I'm gonna be doing something else with the top one. For the top lip, you're going to be getting a black eyeliner. It can either be lipstick or eyeliner, but I prefer eyeliner since it's skinnier and you could do more precise stuff with it. So I'm going to be using a normal eyeliner, and it's black. Mine's the Wet n Wild Color Icon in 651 black. You're going to be doing the top of your lips first by outlining it, which is easier. And as you can see, you can already kind of tell it's kind of like an animal lip. Next, you're going to be taking a liquid eyeliner, which these are easier, as I found out in my other last video. So I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Liquid Eyeliner. And it's in black, obviously. You're going to be going from where you have your natural lip shape, where you have this crease right here. You're going to be doing a line from the bottom of your nose to the lip. Like so. Next, you're going to be doing your nose, and it's just going to be like a little triangle nose, but it's going to be like an upside down triangle. And you can either do just a circle if you want, or you could do a triangle, or you could do just a whole line across your whole nose and color all of this part. But I'm going to do the triangle. And it's not going to be a full-on, like, sharp, perfect triangle. It's going to be kind of roundish, you know, because to make it look natural as a nose. Now that you have your nose outlined, you can go in with the eyeliner, not the liquid one, but the pencil, and just color it in, since this one is more easier to fill in stuff with. Or like I said, if you have black lipstick, that works too. Basic anything that you have black. And then now that it's filled in, you can tell now that it looks like a little cute animal snout. Going back with the liquid eyeliner, we're going to be doing 3 dots right here in the side, or you can do them right here. But I think it looks better when they're like right here. You're going to be doing 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. And now your little whiskers, you just whoosh, you just do a straight line. You can also go in with eyeliner just to bring the whole look together. So I'm just gonna go in. bring out your whole whatever ears that you have of kind of animals. You just put it on and then ta-da! Can you guys see? And this is a finished look. So basically this works with any kind of animal that you're going to be having ears with. Like I have bunnies, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this look and it was helpful for you guys. I feel like if you have if you have animal ears, this look is really helpful for basically any type of animal ears that you have, whether they're mouse, cat, dog, bunny, you know, antlers and stuff. So, and then you just throw on some cute clothes and then there you go. You have yourself a DIY costume, kind of, for Halloween. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed these tricks. So yeah, this is basically it, the trick to any animal ears that you get. And then you just throw on some cute outfit, a dress, a black dress, white, whatever. And then you guys have yourself a DIY Halloween costume, basically. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this look, I hope you guys learned some tips and I hope you guys did enjoy it. And you know, I enjoyed it. Give this video 2 thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys already know where you're gonna be for Halloween. Tell me, because I want to know, because I love Halloween. So tell me where you guys are gonna be for Halloween. If you guys are gonna be doing anything, or if you guys want to see a specific tutorial on if you guys are gonna be a specific costume you guys want makeup for, you guys can tell me and I'll maybe do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys all so much. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and yeah, bye. Dun 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 dun.